Ano ba 'to, dami kasing tao na-distract ako tsaka tagal ko din nag-vlog, Pero yeah, thank you so much. Be patient, guys. Patient with me. Be kind. May bago akong mic. Hi guys! Once again, thank you so much for watching my previous vlog about kung paano ako nag-apply as ship musician, and it's so surprising na ang dami palang mga comments and questions, and I'm really sorry kasi ngayon ko lang masasagot lahat yun. I'll try my best na sagutin lahat yun. And yes, thank you so much. Please do keep watching my videos. Anyways, yung last vlog ko, nasa auto din ako. And I think that's around sunset too. So, come on na, tuloy na natin ito. Ang ganda-ganda ng sunset. Okay, sagutin natin yung una kong nakitang question 7 months ago. Si kay Lady Aguanta 3084. Hi ma'am, may age limit po ba ang pag-apply ng senior summer ko? Well, that I am not sure of. Pero, like now yung ka-work ko kasi he is senior ba? Senior pala to eh. Yung tenista ko kasi ano na siya, he's on senior years na, senior citizen na siya by the grace of God. So sabi niya sa akin, as long as nakakapasa sa medical, go. But I think it's different on the singers. But I'm not sure of that. So try lang. Hi Miss Nika, baka po may kakalala po kayo ng Women's Singer. Anyway, ang daming nag-comment dun sa videos ko na ano, yan, baka may mga naghahanap. Please gawin natin siyang community. Kung kailangan nyo po ng singer or kailangan nyo po ng, may mga nag-comment din doon ng mga saxophonista at mga ano, please do check it out. Check them out. Baka sakaling magka-connect po kayo. Thank you! Ayan. Bye! Sabi ni Nito Gerun daw 1 year ago, may acoustic band pa sa cruise, ma'am. Meron po, may 3-piece. Duo. Ako kasi duo ngayon eh. I mean, duo yung setup namin. May acoustic 3-piece, 4-piece acoustic band. I'm sure of that. ML Studio 7242. Hi, I'm Gilang from Indonesia. Ayan, di ba? May playing saxophone. Very interested. Most musician agencies, so can you tell me where to apply to? Well, regarding your case, since you're from Indonesia, I think it's best na sa Indonesia ka. I think it's best for you to apply in Indonesia. May diba nasasakyan na distract ako? Sorry, there's a vehicle passed by, that's why I got distracted. Anyway, I think it's gonna be best for you to apply directly in Indonesia because of the documents that you need to submit. Much for watching my video. And magkano po estimated offer if you don't mind, just to have an idea if it's worth the risk? Based sa mga, guys, I'm very privileged na na-offeran ako ng decent amount, but I heard before na may mga nag-o-offer ng $1,000, 1 to something like that. But I hope hindi na ngayon. I hope more than that. But yeah, siguro $2,000 is a decent. $2,000 is a decent amount for musician. That's for Wako PY6. Ano po mga songs na ginanawa nyo for demo reel? And yung agency nyo po ma'am, gusto ko din mag-apply as a singer. Mary B's YJAKF. Ano po yung mga songs? Mostly yung mga ano ba? Dito sa duo kasi mostly nagsama ko ng volume song. Nagsama ko ng Bruno Mars, nagsama kami ng mga Tina Turner, gano'n. This is on my duo Pero dun sa band, we tried to make and add some 40s songs, yung old songs talaga. Old songs talaga, and 60s, 70s, Beatles, Carpenters, EGs. Yeah. And yung agency. Now, I am with Magsaysay Shipping. Magsaysay Careers. Ano ba to? Dami kasi tao, distract ako. Tsaka tagal ko din nag-vlog Pero yeah, thank you so much. Be patient, guys. Patient with me. Be kind. May bago akong mic. Yeah, go lang. Mag-apply ka na. Apply lang yung apply if you really wanted. Go for it. Hi, Miss Mika. Tinatanggap po ba nila kahit chatty? Absolutely, yes. As long as mag-apply ka sa medical, you're good to go. That's host singer Charlene 4066. Thank you for watching. Hello, Ma'am Mika. Dream ko din po maging singer. Anong agency po pwede applyan? Thank you po. That's for Maria Charlotte. Madami po tayong agency sa Pinas na pwedeng applyan, and if you're pertaining to agent talaga na magka-handle sa inyo, I am very blessed kasi naka-direct ako sa agent ko sa Miami, which is Human Entertainment. So, yeah. I'm very privileged na ma-represent nila sa mga iba't ibang directorships. Hello, Miss Mika. Ano pong agency pwedeng ma-applyan? Sana po masagot nyo na makapit ako. Ayun nga, yung mga manning agency natin dito sa Pinas that I know of is Magsaysay, Singa Ship, kasi yung mga dati ko. CF Sharp, yung mga, mga manning. Have you faced rejection na po while applying sa PCR? Of course, madami. Napakarami kong rejection at napakarami ko din in-applyan. Basta naman naka-ano lang yung goal mo, nandun ka lang, nakapokus ka lang sa goal mo. Kasi gusto ko talaga dati. No, gusto ko talaga dati. Kaya, hindi ko na naramdaman yung mga rejections. As long as sabi ko, naka-focus talaga ako na makaalis, makasampa, maka-yes. So, yun. Guys, there'll be a lot of rejections. Pwede mo ba kami guide paano mag-start? Tubo kami and always land-based. Saan pwede mag-apply? Ito na po yung video ko. Yan po. Yung po pinakomentan nyo, yun po yung start. Thank you, RP's Vlog 7625. 2 years ago na yung comment. Check na to. Sana maulit yung video ko nun dati. 3 years na may video ko. Well, anyway. Ano na nga po yung Q&A nila? Ano po mga songs nilista po? Mga nyo po ba mostly? Uy, that's from Marlon Motovlog. 2 years ago din yung comment. Q&A. Oh yeah, I had a Q&A with the staff of the entertainment office ng ship mismo, and they were like asking kung kaya ko yung mga songs kasi they plot show, tapos sila na yung naglalagay ng mga songs and all. Tapos yun, tinanong lang kung kaya ko or kung may tattoo ako, may mga tattoo ako, medical or something. Hala, naku, hindi ako prepared. Ano ba yan? Sorry na. Marlon Motovlog. Balikan kita. Anyway, yung mga songs na nilista namin, yun nga, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. And, basta hindi ako nagpawala ng Bruno Mars kasi favorite ko si Bruno Mars. Kasi yung mga popular artists. Hello po, also a Christmas musician, guitarist, singer, solo. Just want to ask which agency po kayo I really want to transfer. Yung agency ko nga po is Magsaysay Careers now, but yung agent ko that's representing me as a musician sa mga cruise ship lines, is Human Entertainment. I've been with them since then. Opo, yun. Excited. They're very accommodating and okay sila. Baka po need a singer. Willing pa ako mag-training na po kami sila sa very helpful tips kung na interviews. Parang yun lang yung mga nakita ko na. Yes! So, I answered it all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Yan, please share para madami tayong para madami akong matulungan and ma-inspire. admire. This is not to brag, guys, but to let you see the sunset. Check. This is, I hope I shared some helpful informations, and I hope you just go follow your dreams and trust God. And, ayun, keep on believing. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Ano ba yan? Wala akong masyadong sabing wisdom kasi naman, nakaka-distract talaga yung sunset and paligid. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, once again for watching my vlogs. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you have a good day, good life. Love you guys. God bless. Paalam.